Good morning, scholars. I want to review our steps and processes for needle felting. In terms of safety, y'all are doing a great job of keeping your hand away from the needle, and you're also doing a great job of holding your needle straight up and down as you are felting. You're also doing a great job of only putting in about 1/4 inch of the needle as you're felting. So really great job there. Next, I will talk about blending the roving. One thing that I'm seeing that is incorrect is that we are going and taking large quantities of roving back to our table. We just don't need that much, and other people might need to use those colors. So when you go to get materials, you should only be pulling off about 2 inches from each color that you need to blend. The rest can stay at the material table. When we are ready to blend this, we only want to do a small quantity. See, it barely fits in my hand. I will pull the fibers apart with gentle pressure, and I will put them back together so that the fibers of the roving are going in the same direction. It takes about 8 times to get it really well blended, and I'm really making sure those fibers are staying in the same direction. Once it is blended, this is quite a bit. I could probably do all of these spaces, so I will just pull off what I need. The roving should be slightly larger than the space you want to felt. And when you felt, you do not want it to go on the black lines. You want it to go right beside. So I'll put the felt on there now, and I am keeping my hand away for safety, and I am putting my needle and felting right beside the black line. You probably can't see my black line, but my eyes can see it, and your eyes will be able to see it. Then I can use my needle to pull the wool over, and now I can see that black line. It is felted to the black line. I can pull the wool roving over, and I can felt it really neatly. See, it's felted right to the line. Now, right now, this is not well felted. You can really tell a difference how this is sticking up and this is all very flat over here. So it's very important that you are going back before you move on to a new space. You need to go back and you want to continue felting until it is very, very flat. Each shape does take a few minutes to get really flat, but that is the correct way to do it. So you are successful if you can still see the black lines, it is flat and not moving when you run your fingers over it, and if it is not too thick because you are not using too much roving. Scholars, work hard today and be sure to put away all of your materials very neatly so that they're there for you to use tomorrow.